How to get verified on Instagram. First, you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If it's not, just simply update it. Once you are done, open your Instagram app and go to your profile on the lower right corner of your screen. Now click the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen, then select Meta Verified. This will appear on your screen, then proceed to select Meta Verified again. Now, all you have to do is simply click Get Meta Verified on the lower part of your screen, then follow the next steps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.